Hey guys, finally he sleeps here. Today we're going to take a look at yet another car air pump. Now this is an electronic, it is rechargeable, and it is a portable air pump for your car. I've had a couple of these that we've tested out over the last couple of years, and they work. They're effective, but I haven't had any that have really lasted. They tend to fall apart after the first time, and we're gonna test this one. I'm actually gonna take it with me on a trip, and we'll try it out a couple more times on the trip so that I can actually tell you whether or not the quality here is lasting or if it's just one. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, sealed. So packaging's pretty nice. Instructions, are they multi-language? Multi-language instructions. That's been one of the issues. Long press to change the pressure unit. PSI, okay. Digital display. So pretty simple instructions. Unit's bigger than the last one we received. This is from EAFC, by the way. Peel the plastic off. It's pretty heavy. Any of these, it's actually just a compressor. So it's a very small air pump compressor. See if does it come pre-charged? Yes, it does have power. It is on. See mode 36, how much pressure? We can adjust the pressure setting. The next thing is, oh, it's got light, Bluetooth, USB-C. It does come with recharging. It's got air pumps for sports equipment, a 9-volt or a 12-volt charger, so you can take it with you and charge it in the vehicle. Carrying case. And here is turn it off. So we'll plug this in. That was loud. That was louder than I expected. All right, let's turn it on. Set it. All right, it's working. We're gonna go ahead and test this out on the vehicle. It's as simple as just hooking it up to the tire, set your pressure, and then sit back and watch. But it's just as simple as turning it on, hooking it up, and then when it gets to the pressure that you need, it will shut itself off. All right, this is fantastic. We've now had it for about a month, and it's probably been used maybe 45 minutes grand total of charging time. And we've tested it down to about 25 pounds of pressure, moving it up to about 35. So about a 10-pound of pressure push. It handles it. We never went any lower than that. The thing to remember is this is great for like topping off. If you've got a slow leak, you come out and your tire pressure light came on. This is going to be great in a pinch if you've got it in your glove box or in the van, but you're not going to use it to keep tires inflated. It's a temporary thing. If you've got a flat tire, this is not going to help you. This is if you've got a low tire and you need to get some air in it to get the tire fixed. This is great for emergency purposes. Otherwise, this is held up better than all the rest that we have tested. And this will stay in the vehicle. We took it on vacation. We only used it once on vacation, but it did work out really well. So, yes, well worth it. That's it. I'm finally, he sleeps. EAFC mobile tire pump. Well worth it. Link is below. Check it out. We're recommending it. Thanks a lot for hanging out tonight. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams in a world